Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kishan. Today I will discuss about the unit of rate constant for different order of reaction. In my previous lecture we discussed that different order of reaction have different rate constant units. Now in this video we discuss what is the unit of rate constant. Let us start. For zero order reaction, let's suppose a general reaction A gives out product and the rate is equal to dx upon dt is equal to k into molar concentration of A. But this is zero order reaction, this means the power of the A concentration term is zero, right? So as you know, the power have zero, any value which have power zero that converted to 1. So dx upon dt is equal to k, right? Now what is the dx? That is a mole per liter. That is the time here we take it, that is the second. So the unit is mole liter inverse second inverse, right? So this is the unit for zero order reaction. Now the unit for first order reaction. Unit for first order reaction. Here the concentration term is have value 1. So the here value A, the k is equal to dx upon dt multiplied by 1 upon A, right? Now the dx have unit mole per liter, time is taken as second, into 1 upon concentration. Concentration is always taken in mole per liter, right? So mole per liter is cancelled out. So the unit is second inverse. So for first order reaction, the unit of rate constant is second inverse, right? Now for second order reaction. Now for second order reaction, the concentration term of A have value 2. So k is equal to dx by dt into 1 upon A square. So dx is taken in mole per liter and time is taken into second into 1 upon mole per liter square. Square is cancelled out here. So 1 upon second into 1 upon mole per liter. Liter is goes upward side, that is liter. So mole inverse, second inverse and liter. So this is the unit of rate constant for the second order of reaction. Now taking the unit of for the third order of reaction. In this case we take the 3 concentration term. Here the value is power 3, mole per liter is power 3. Then you got that one term is cancelled out for one term. So we got mole per liter square, right? So mole minus to liter to second inverse. So this is the unit of rate constant for the third order reaction. If we consider for general reaction for nth order reaction, means for nth order reaction, that is second, third, fourth, किसी भी order of reaction के rate constant निकालना, I provide a general rate. So what? As you know, dx upon dt is equal to k a की power n, right? Now dx is equal to k is equal to dx by dt into 1 upon a की power n, right? So k is equal to dx is equal to concentration, that is the time, into 1 upon concentration to power n. So k is equal to concentration into concentration to power minus into time inverse, right? Now as you know, power is sum up if the base is same. So k is equal to concentration power 1 minus n time inverse. So this is the general formula for obtaining the unit of rate constant. If you want to calculate the unit for zero order reaction, then n should be 0. In this case, k is equal to concentration 1 minus 0 time inverse, right? So k is equal to concentration power 1 time inverse. I know you know that concentration is mole per liter and time is taken as in second. So mole liter inverse second inverse. So this is the unit of rate constant for the zero order reaction. If you want to calculate for first order reaction for by this formula, then n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then you got the k is equal to time inverse, and time inverse will be second inverse, right? So by this formula you can calculate the unit of rate constant, right? Now if a gaseous reaction takes place, takes place, in this case k is equal to, as you know, concentration term will change into atmosphere. So atmosphere 1 minus n time inverse. For zero order reaction, n is equal to 0, then k should be atmosphere 1 minus 0, time is taken in second. So atmosphere second inverse, right? Now for first order reaction, n is equal to 1. So k is equal to atmosphere 1 minus 1 time is taken in second. So that is second inverse. So k is equal to this becomes 0 and the unit is second inverse. So by which you can calculate the unit of rate constant for various order of reaction. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe this video, subscribe my channel and share this video as much as possible.